Welcome. I'm using a Lenovo Tab P11, and today I'll show you how to put the device into boot mode. And to get started, you want to power off the device by holding the power key. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and the volume down, which is this button right here, and the one to the right out of the two. So once it's off, power key, volume down. And once you see the Lenovo logo, you can let go of the keys. If you hold it for a little bit too long, it will reboot the device. It will accept the power key as a command when you're letting go of it, which will basically reboot the device. If that happens to you, instantly start holding back the power key and volume down. Now anyway, once you boot into it, that's basically the mode that you're looking for. Let me just fix the camera so you can see what is written up here. I'm gonna blast the exposure up so you can actually see here. So there we go. As you can see, we have a restart bootloader. Now using volume keys right here. If you press volume down, it will basically cycle through them, and you can use power key to confirm whatever you can see right here. So we have recovery mode, power off option, start, which will just go back to Android, and then a restart bootloader, which doesn't do really anything. It just brings you back to where we are anyway right now, and then we're back to recovery mode. So like I said, whatever you select, you then confirm it with power key. Before I actually press it, I'm gonna flip the device over just so you can see. Boop, and there we go. We're now coming back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.